Students of the day, my name is Ritvika Goyal from class 8 Primrose. So from English, today I am taking a grammar topic, that is verb. So here is the definition of a verb. Verb denote actions performed in a sentence. It means that verbs are action words or doing words. Kinds of verbs. There are two kinds of verbs, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. First one is transitive verbs. These are the verbs which require an object to complete their meaning. It means that transitive verbs cannot be completed without an object. Examples are Virat Kohli plays cricket. Here plays is the verb and cricket is the object. So hence this is a transitive verb. I gave him a gift. Here gave is the verb and object are him and gift. So this is also a transitive verb. Now second one is intransitive verbs. So basically intransitive verbs are just opposite of transitive verbs. These are the verbs which do not require an object to complete their meaning. It means that intransitive verbs do not need any object to complete their meaning. Examples are the actor appeared exhausted, the cake tasted salty. Now object of the verb. The object of a verb is a person or a thing to or for whom something is done. Examples are I hugged my sister, I gave the puppy a bone. In the first sentence, my sister is an object, and in the second one, puppy and a bone is the object. A transitive verb can have two types of objects, direct and indirect. The direct object answers the question what in relation to verb, and the indirect object answers the question to or for whom in relation to the verb. So here are some examples of direct and indirect object. First, examples of direct object. First one is he was playing cricket. Here was playing is a verb and cricket is the direct object as it answers the question what. He was playing what? Cricket. Second one is Mr. Kapoor bought a new jacket. Here bought is the verb and a new jacket is the direct object as it again answers the question what. Mr. Kapoor bought what? A new jacket. Third one is she makes a sandwich. Here makes is the verb and a sandwich is the direct object. Now examples of indirect object. First one is Stella gifted her a bicycle. In this gifted is a verb and her is indirect object as it answers the question to whom. Stella gifted a bicycle to whom? To her. Second one is I made a chocolate cake for her. So in this made is the verb and her is an indirect object as it answers the question for whom. I made the chocolate cake for whom? For her. And third one is I gave him a pen. Here gave is the verb and him is the indirect object as it answers the question to whom. I give a pen to whom? To him. Now reflexive verbs. When the direct object of a transitive verb is the same as the subject of a verb, the verb is called a reflexive verb. It says that when the subject of the transitive verb as well as the direct object of the transitive verb are same, the verb is known as reflexive verb. Examples are make sure he dries himself well after a bath. Here dries is the verb and the pronouns he and himself refer to the same person. A reflexive verb is always followed by a reflexive pronoun. Example, Josh gifted himself a new bicycle on his birthday. Here, gifted is the verb and Josh and himself refer to the same person. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.